Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I will detail how to turn on game mode on iOS 18. So if you're using the latest iOS 18 on your iPhone and I want to get or turn on the game mode, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, you are supposed to go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page you need to search for game mode. But if you do that, you discover that the game mode feature is not available. So there's no game mode on the settings page. Then how do you now turn on game mode on your iPhone iOS 18? The game mode is automation, and once you launch the game you want to play, you should see game mode turned on instantly. Then go ahead and launch the game. Then you're gonna see game mode. Then you should see game mode pop on the game. And once the game mode is popped, then you can just go ahead and start playing your game. So this is going to silence or reduce distraction on your game while playing them. And once you're done playing the game, you can just exit the game, and then that is going to turn off the game mode on your iPhone on iOS 18. So this works on all the game you want to play on your iPhone, and once you launch it, then the game mode will pop. And in most cases, if you've been playing the game for quite a while and you launch the game mode, you may not see the game mode notification because this is automated. This does not mean that the game mode is not working, because the game mode is set up in such a way that it's going to turn on itself automatically, and at the same time it's going to turn off itself automatically. So when you launch any game on your iPhone, game mode will pop, and when you turn off the game mode will turn off. So that is basically how to turn on or turn off game mode on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.